Hello! So Miss Kurt and I are here and we are getting ready to start another video. She's gonna pop out here in a second, but she just wanted to say hi. Hello! Because your 5th grade teachers are here dedicated to your educations, working hard while y'all watching YouTube. Okay,
like they're going to be doing when they work hard.
Yeah, totally. Totally. We know. It's fine. We love you. We miss you. This isn't normal, but this is still kind of fun. You know it is. So I'm going to teach you a little bit more today about math, and Miss Kern is getting some other little surprises ready for you for other types of lessons. So, all right, what are we going to learn today? We are going to do lesson 2 of our review from our test, okay? I'm only going to try to break this down into this one last review session and then let you guys practice. I'm hoping that you guys can use your notes and different things to help guide you to understanding what you guys are going to be doing on MobyMax because it should be review. We didn't do so great on the test like we talked about because of it being so condensed in time, and I'm okay with that. That's why we're practicing and reteaching and doing all of this. It's fine. Don't stress about it. I eliminated those grades, but I still want to make sure we get it. So we're going to make sure we get it. All right. Last video was about of meaning. Let's ask my son if he knows. Logan, come on over. This is my son. He's in 7th grade. And he watched my video and has been making fun of me and reposting my video, so all his friends are watching me now, apparently. Logan, what's of mean?
Multiply.
Of means?
What? Multiply.
Oh, look, his face is red. Good job. Good job. Okay. All right, guys. So of means multiply was our other video because when we're finding a fraction of a number, we just multiply that fraction of that number. All right. So today, we need to attack those pesky mixed numbers. Multiplying and dividing with mixed numbers really, I think was our biggest issue because it's so many steps. Because it's not just multiplying straight across. It's taking those, finding their improper fraction version, performing the operation of multiplication and division, getting that improper fraction answer, turning it back into a mixed number, making sure it's simplified. It's a big beast because it's a lot of steps. And in 5th grade, we aren't used to that many steps yet. So it just takes practice. And again, like I said before, practice means, okay? And I'm going to leave that as a little Easter egg today. What's an Easter egg? Well, Logan, you're a gamer. Why don't you come explain to my 5th grade class what an Easter egg is?
I think an Easter egg could be like a hidden, like a hidden tool, or something such as a video game that my sister plays on Roblox. She finds this Easter egg on this Roblox game, and she could get a prize out of it, or she could get a hint to go to get an answer to a problem.
Ah, hints, prizes, little hidden gems. Thank you. He's actually right. So, and we did not practice that. So, yes, he's right. An Easter egg is a little hidden piece inside of one of these videos. And when I put something out, we're going to have little communications and things on Class Dojo or whatever other way we decide if that one's not working for us, because this is all going to be fluid and evolving and cool and different, and we're all going to adjust to it. But whatever way we decide to communicate, sometimes going to say, hey, somebody got that Easter egg answer for me from Tuesday's video or whatever, and you're going to be like, yeah, it was. Okay, so that's today's. All right, I'm going to try to drop those in. Sometimes I'll just come out and say them. Sometimes it may be a hint. So watch for them. All right. Anyways, I don't want to make this video crazy long, so let's just get right to it. Mixed numbers. I'm going to adjust just a little bit because I feel like, there we go. Mixed numbers. All right. We can do this. I'm going to take the first one that was on your test, and it was a big one. And the majority of the people got this wrong, and that's why I want to do it. It's not necessarily that it's impossible, but it was big. However, it was 5th grade level. These numbers aren't bigger than we can handle, but sometimes when we get to numbers this big, we get overwhelmed. Okay. Now, what I have taught you is you cannot, absolutely cannot, don't do it. I'm not going to say whose method this was because there's a student that's going to watch this. It's going to know exactly who I'm talking about because we all said it. Don't use the so-and-so method to do this, okay? Don't pull these whole numbers out and multiply them and then multiply these and combine them again. Don't do it. That only works in addition. It only works in addition. Every now and then you can get it to work in subtraction, but again, I called that the lazy method because it can mess you up. Don't do it. You have to do the conversions. How do I convert a fraction that is, I'm sorry, not a fraction, a mixed number into an improper fraction? Okay. I take how many holes I have. How many holes do I have? I have 5 holes. I multiply. Hey, come on in our, you want to say hi on our YouTube video? Your son should watch this video.
Yes.
So you come embarrass him. Come embarrass him.
Uh-huh.
Right here.
Hello.
Would you like to convert this into an improper fraction?
Not on video. I think the 2 goes over the times the x.
Something.
Yeah,
Uh-oh.
I just ruined your video. I'm very sorry.
Okay, so, all right. All right, would you like to say hi to our students that you're not going to have to see for a while?
Hello. You gotta get in there. Hello.
See, we are a united team here at Dixon Elementary. We got everybody coming in, okay?
Deuce.
Hello.
Hey, I gotta spray all kids' hands.
So, you take how many holes you have by how many parts it takes to make a hole. So we have 5 times 2, okay?
I'm gonna spray it over here.
And then we add how many small parts we had left over that didn't quite make a hole. 5 times 2 is 10, plus 1 is 11. The denominator stays the same because it's how many total parts there are over 2. Okay? Same thing here. How many holes we have times how many parts it takes to make a hole. So I have 4 times 4. And then how many small parts I had left over that didn't quite make another hole. 4 times 4 is 16, plus 3 is 19. So I have 19, denominator stays the same. Okay. That is where we're at. Now, you guys should have been able to do that, but I think this is where some of the mistakes came in. So now I have to multiply straight across. Okay, so I don't need to look at the denominator yet. Let's look at just the numerator. 11 times 19. Y'all, I can't do that in my head. Okay, I'm a 5th grade math teacher. It doesn't mean I'm a genius. 11 times 19. 9 times 1, 9. 9 times 1, 9. I have to place hold because I'm moving over to the tens place. So I have to, everything I'm going to do is going to be in increments of 10 now. 1 times 1, 1. 1 times 1, 1. Add all this up. 9, 10, 2. 209. What? That's a big number. It's all right. We can do it. 209. 209. Okay? 2 times 4. We don't even need to write anything out because we're smart. We got this. 8. 209 over 8. And this is where I think some of you guys just went, no. We got to get past those no's because we're 5th graders. Math is getting harder. When you guys get into middle school coming up next year, things are going to get even harder. So we have to be able to be confident with some of these bigger numbers. We can do them, okay? So this whole thing, just like we talked about in the last video, just means to divide. That's all that sign means. A fraction is just a division sign. Okay. How many parts I have go inside? How many parts it takes to create a hole goes on the outside? All right. How many 8s fit in a 2? Nothing. How many 8s fit into a 20? Do you know, Logan?
I know the answer.
Now don't tell me the answer. 2, because I know my multiples of 8. 8, 16, 24. Only 2 of them fit. Okay. 2, which is 16. Subtract, I get 4. Drop my 9 down. How many 8s fit into a 49? Logan knows.
6.
6. Because 8 times 6 is what, Logan?
Huh?
What is 8 times 6? Abigail?
9. 48.
48. Subtract. What do I get?
1.
1. Okay? And then we did this little thing that I like to call the clock method. Okay? I call it the clock method. But really, I can tell you why we do it. All right? So I have 26 holes. Is this in the video still? Yes. 26 holes. That was my product. Okay? How many pieces I have left over that didn't fit into a hole is 1 piece, which becomes my numerator. How many pieces did it take to make a hole? 8, which is my denominator. There's nothing you can reduce lower terms because you have a 1 here. 1's always going to just stop at 1. The answer to this problem was 26 and 1/8. Okay. It's a big math problem, wasn't it? All right. That word reciprocal. I want to see if a 7th grader knows what this word means. I didn't prep him for this. Logan,
Yes.
come on over. I want to see if you know this.
Probably don't.
And if he doesn't, y'all can be like, I knew something her 7th grade son didn't know. Logan, what is the reciprocal of?
I don't know what that means. I'm not taught this. I'm taught algebra.
Abigail, do you know reciprocal?
I'm taught algebra.
Logan, how do you
Yes.
do division of fractions? Keep.
Change, flip.
Say it again.
Keep, change, flip.
Keep, change, flip. Keep, change, flip.
KS.
Keep, change, flip. What does that flip mean?
Flip it.
That is finding the...
Okay, can
You guys know.
When did you go like? When did you go like that?
Yes, reciprocal.
I don't even think they can really see it. You're gonna have to zoom in.
Reciprocal. Okay? Finding a reciprocal is finding the fraction just flipped. Keep, change, flip. You guys remember this? Right here. Keep, change, flip. Okay? We can do it. Sorry for that close up. Ooh. Okay. Two more problems. Okay? I'm going to jump right into this one. 6 divided by 1/4. Okay. Now, I can do it this way. Okay, because I like you guys to know that you have options. That if you need these models, you guys use them. If you need to draw something out that says I have a 6, okay, and I'm splitting a 6 up into quarters. Okay, didn't I? 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, 4/4 equals 1. I have 6 all split up into quarters. All right? So, how many quarters did I end up with? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 24. Your quotient here really is just 24. It really is that easy. But at some point, you're probably going to get to the point where you're not at your job someday drawing out all these little boxes. So how do we perform this without all the little boxes in a quick, simple way? Keep, change, flip. Keep it. What is 6 as a fraction, Logan?
6 is a fraction?
Yeah. How do I turn that into a fraction?
I mean, you could do a whole bunch of ways. I mean, you could divide it. I've been taught.
What goes
once
under
in a
here?
line, You could put a 1.
Yeah, a 1. Thank you. That's all I was asking for. Keep it. Okay. Let's just write it out again first so we can see it as 2 fractions. Okay. That's a lot. That's a big line there. Keep it. Change it. What am I changing this to, Logan?
Multiplication.
Multiplication sign. Flip it. What am I finding the reciprocal? Which is what, Logan?
4 over 1.
Now I just multiply straight across. What is 6 times 4, Logan?
24.
What is 1 times 1?
1.
What is 24 over 1? Really just equal?
24.
Keep, change, flip.
That's not a Y.
I'm sure that's not a Y. Golly. Okay. What if your fractions first, though? What if you're dividing a fraction up? Like we had for this one. We had 1/7 divided by 5. Does it change? Does that mean we have to do something different? No, it doesn't. You don't have to do anything different. You're just still keeping it. Again, put that right over 1, changing it. Finding the reciprocal, which would be 1/5. Okay? 1 times 1 is 1. 7 times 5, I hope you know. If you don't, multiplication charts, list of multiples is 35. So, when I split something that is a 7th, and I have to divide it up by 5, I'm going to get 1/35. Because I'm splitting up a part. I'm not splitting up a whole. I'm taking a part and splitting it further. I'm splitting that part up 5 times. So now it's 1/35. Okay? I have a 1/7 of a pound of fudge. I'm splitting it up between 5 people. Each person is going to get 1/35 of a pound of fudge. I like to use those fudge references because that's what you guys like to tell me everybody just loves to eat in math class last week. Okay, we're going to stop there. There was a lot of word problems. We'll go over a lot of word problems in different ways. They're very time consuming, and I've already taken up a lot of your time today, and I'm trying not to stress y'all out with too long of videos and things. We had some little pop-ins here, though, where people came visited. So, we will do some word problems. We'll do lots of review things, but I just wanted to review those concepts with you guys so that you guys are understanding those keep, change, flip. Of means multiply. A fraction of, when you look at it as a whole number, you just put it over 1. Reciprocal means flip. Okay, so I hope y'all are doing well. This is Logan. You'll see him sometimes in my videos because he's going to get bored too. And he's still working. Believe me, his pile works over there. So I hope everybody's doing awesome. I miss everybody. I don't like talking to a camera. Okay? I have to have somebody to be like, and there's nobody. He gets it now. So, message me. Ask me questions. Send me PMs on Dojo, on whatever you guys want. Email, if you guys have email accounts, that's fine. I don't care. Just be in contact. Ask your questions. If you get stuck on MobiMax and you miss a bunch, you don't know why. Hey, Miss Hannah, I had this problem. Jot it down. If you got stuck on it, send me the problem. We'll work it through together. I have no problem, guys. I'm here. I'm working every day. Every day. Monday through Friday, I can answer questions. And I want to because I'm bored. I like people, and there are no people. Be my people.
I'm a
Okay?
person.
What?
I'm a person.
I'm my person. But I don't like doing 7th grade math. I'm not going to lie. Okay? All right. See you guys soon.
Like and subscribe.